Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about local setup of the Claude Code, how to set up this Claude Code in our local with the local model, local LLMs. Instead of paying the lot of amount to the Claude Code, it just we have to integrate. We can integrate with that local model in our system. For that, what you have to do, like just we have to install the Claude Code in our system, and we have to integrate that Claude Code in the VS Code. So that's the main thing, operations we have to do to integrate this Claude Code in our local. For that, just open the browser, just open this cloudcode.com documentation, and in that there is an overview. First of all, let's see the pricing of this Claude Code. When you open this Claude Code website, it will show the application like this. After that, just open pricing overview. For the free version, they are providing the $0, and for the pro version, they are charging $17. For the max, they are charging $100. So instead of paying this amount, just we can set up this Cloud Code functionality in our local with help of the local LLM. So for that, what you have to do, just we have to install this Cloud Code in our local. For that, for the Windows, we have to use this command, and for the Mac, Linux, VSL, we can use this thing, and for the window CMD we can use this command. Right now my system is window, so for that I'm using this. Just copy it and open the PowerShell and just click it here. Once you enter, then it will install the Cloud Code in our system. Previously I have installed this, so that's why I'm stopping this. Okay, like when I click this, while installing this, it will ask, sometimes it will ask Git. If you have Git, then no problem. Not just install that Git and Git bash. After that, just close this. After that, we have to install the one Olama software in our system. So previously I have installed this. So for that, after when you open this application newly, so at the time it will show the one download button. Just download that, and it will ask the some account related things. Once all done, then it will show the interface like this. Okay, and we can install the from PowerShell also. This Olama model we can install through PowerShell, like how we install previously, how we install this Cloud Code with help of this command. In such a way, we can install this Olama also, like, with help of this command. Okay, after installing this, we have to install some more models. Like for this configuration, I'm using Minimax M2.0. Okay, after that, just open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, after open this Visual Studio, you have to install the one extension for this. So already I've installed this Cloud Code extension. Just open this extension tab and just search for Cloud Code for VS Code. So just install it. Okay, then after installation completed, then it will show the one icon here. Just click on this, then it will show the interface like this. So if you have any subscription plan, use this. So if you don't have, just run this Cloud Code in the terminal, then it will open like this. Here, just come to the Olama, just search for Minimax Model and copy this Cloud Code related command. Just run in this. Like previously I've installed that. For that only it's coming. So just I'm clearing. Just launch it, this Minimax Model. After that it will show this yes, I trust this folder. Then after this it will show the Cloud Code functionality. Like it will show the interface like this. So just whatever you want, if you want to do some projects and ask here, like it will give that like a Cloud Code. Previously I've created one project. It's giving me better compared to other models. So that's a good thing. So just I'm asking key, like, write a Java program to sort the two numbers. It's behaving like a real Cloud Code. It's giving the complete code. Like you can also create a complete projects in the front end also. It will write the complete code for that. Guys, this is the local setup of the Cloud Code. I hope you understood the process of set up this Cloud Code in our local. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. In the last moment, I would like to ask one small request to you guys. If you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and please support me. I've started this my journey newly here, so for that, please support me. Thank you guys.